So you finally got that last piece of welding equipment you needed for performing proper repairs. Those SOPs you've been working on forever are all finally completed, and you've told your staff this is how they're going to process the repairs. That shop floor layout you weren't happy with for years is now reconfigured for maximum flow throughout the repair process. You've got a full shop, a full lot, a 4-week waiting list, and now you're ready to put this money-making machine into overdrive, right? Wrong. Yep. Change of plans, Hoss. 2 of your top techs just quit to go to the new MSO in town that was offering $10,000 signing bonuses. Your only writer, besides you, whom is also the production manager, has been looking for different opportunities. This is something you just happened to hear through the collision grapevine. And the new kid you hired 6 months ago for the wash rack has been coming in a little late almost every day or calling in, and doesn't seem quite as eager as when he first started. That's right. That means you may have to go out into the shop, repair a few cars yourself, or more. Maybe have to take over the estimating and parts ordering if that writer does find something better. And you just may end up being the highest paid car wash guy your shop ever employed. Or at least until you find some new recruits. Oh, and finding new employees lately? That's a big if these days, isn't it?